And where's the foundation? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special guest with me. Her name is Asia Trotter. So today we'll be doing My Friend Does My Makeup. It's not a challenge, it's just my friend does my makeup because she's obviously a makeup artist. So I wanted her to come beat my face because it looks a hot mess. She also has a social media you guys can hit her up on.
Yes, you can follow me on Instagram at MUA by Asia or Facebook. My name is Asia Trotter. You can find me on there. But yeah, today we're going to do sort of a glam slash dramatic look. But it's still going to be cute and still going to be, you know, very natural looking. So I'm excited to show you guys my work. So stay tuned. That's nice.
Okay guys, so that's the end of this look, well, this video. As you can see, I don't look a hot mess anymore. She beat this face, although these clothes look a hot mess. And she'll also be making a YouTube.
Yes.
I'm gonna get her to make a YouTube. So if you guys want to check her out, her name will be down below. Be on the lookout for her first video. A little bit about this work. She can go ahead and tell you guys.
Basically, I gave her like a purple soft eye that I really love. Her eyelashes are natural, but at the same time they have a lot of volume, so it gives it that, you know, popping look. We use this Revlon 24-hour foundation, and it's matched perfectly, as you can see. So then I use this concealer to give her a little highlight look at the, you know, underneath her eyes. This is what we use to highlight, which is this Anastasia's Glow Kit, which is my favorite. I used Juvia's Zulu palette, which is another one of my favorites, to get, you know, that beautiful, bold, natural look. For the lip, I just used this pink lip color. Just this pink. That is how we got this look. And of course, her brows, I used a pencil, just a black pencil, and then I used concealer to make it pop more. And I feel like it came out amazing. I love it. Thank you guys.
Thanks for watching.
Don't go chasing waterfalls, you might fall in it. Walk before you learn to crawl, you'll end up slipping. Just take a turn right now, just be mine right now. I know you anxious, please have patience. Don't go chasing